Hello everyone, this will be a basic tutorial on how to create your menu items or menu list navigation for your website with just the use of plain JavaScript. So to start, create your HTML file. By the way, I'm using JS Fiddle as my example here. Let's create the head, the title, say my HTML or my nav, and from under the head, create your body. Instead of creating your navigation here, say ahref and the like, typing it manually, how about we create a JavaScript for it? So the first thing that we need to do is type it here, and then the output will come out of here. Okay, let's create your a constant variable for your menu, say menu items. We will input it inside an array and then enclose every item in an object. So for example, I'll name each menu item as name with say home, and then its URL will be that, say, just for example purposes, I'll just put youtube.com here, and then if you would like to add another, just copy and paste that one. Change the menu item name here, say about. Okay, for the meantime, we'll just have two items, and then create a variable name for our body element. Okay, so from the HTML file, make sure your JavaScript contains the body. I'll name that one as body, and then query select the body element using query selector, then type in body. Okay, next enter or insert an element inside the body by using the body.insert adjacent HTML, then typing in before end, and then enclosing it with this operator. So what you needed to type in here is, say, declare a section, and you would have that one as, I'll be designing this, so I'll have to put a class property. I will name this one as say navigation container or menu section, menu dash container section. And then, so to make sure that we have it, let's put a design. Say height is 10 px, and then border solid red. Okay, let's run that one. We have an error. Oh, sorry, I forgot the comma. There we go. Now we have it here. Here's the result. Here's an element of the menu container. Next, let's put another element, say inside the section first here. I'll name that one as nav. Let's put another class name because I'm going to design it, nav-container. Just for the sake of displaying the item, I'm going to put a color. Also put a height in it. Okay, solid blue. And then I'm going to call it using document query selector. nav-container. Okay, there you go. And from inside the nav, we're going to call all the menu items, right? So I'm going to declare a for loop here so that I can get all the items from the menu items variable. And then we're going to do the same thing, the same instance as this one, but inside the for loop. So nav that insert adjacent HTML before end. Okay, hit the enter key, and instead of other elements such as I'm going to enter the a tag with each ref equal, and don't forget to put the $sign inside your quotes so that you can call the menu item from this variable. Okay, so menu items, I'm going to call the first item, so that will be like the index, and then the URL, right? And then don't forget the closing tag for your a tag, then call the menu item name. So menu items I again, then instead of URL you'll say name. Got it? Okay, let's run, see if we have something. If we don't, you'll receive your console log error here. Unterminated regular expression. Regular expression is unterminated. Oh, yes, of course. There you go. You know, guys, if you encounter errors, that's the way you learn as a programmer. So let's run again. There we go. We have document query selector is not defined. Document, oh, okay, forgot the dot. There you go. There you have it. I see here the home and then the about, but we have a little bit of an error on the design, so we'll just have to add, say, 20 px instead of 10 from the container. Let's add more. There you go. And from this one, let's add at least 20. Or let's just remove the border color so that we won't be confused. Okay, there you go. Now we have the home and then the about menu items. And so if you would like to add another menu, instead of typing it here manually on the inside the HTML document, all you have to do is add from your constant variable. Say for example, if you would like to add another, say, videos, and then another one here, your music. Say for example, that's your website, home, about, videos, and music. Menu items, all you have to do is there. Now you have 4 menu items on your website. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. If you have any other suggestions as well, you can also comment down below. So thank you very, very much for watching. Have a great day.